Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix stick drift. Stick drift is when your controller's joystick registers movement even when you're not touching it, often causing frustrating in-game actions. This issue typically arises from dust, debris, or wear within the joystick mechanism. We'll start with easy, non-invasive cleaning techniques that can often resolve the problem quickly, saving you time and money. Let's dive into understanding and tackling this common controller issue. First, grab some compressed air and give the base of your affected joystick a thorough blast. This helps dislodge any loose dust or crumbs. Next, take a cotton swab, dampen it with 99% isopropyl alcohol, and carefully clean around the joystick's edges. Gently push the stick to one side, clean, then repeat for all directions. After applying, rotate the joystick in full circles, about 10 to 15 times, to help the alcohol work its way in and evaporate. If cleaning doesn't fully resolve the issue, it's time to check your controller's software. Many consoles and PCs offer calibration settings that can help reset the joystick's neutral position. Also, ensure your controller's firmware is up to date, as manufacturers often release updates to improve performance and address known issues. If these steps fail, the problem might be mechanical, indicating a need for a more involved repair or even a replacement joystick module. To keep stick drift from returning, prevention is key. Always store your controllers in a clean, dust-free area, perhaps in a drawer or a dedicated stand, to minimize debris accumulation. Try to avoid applying excessive force or making overly aggressive movements with your joysticks during intense gaming sessions. Finally, make a habit of regularly cleaning your controllers, perhaps once every 2 to 3 months, to maintain their optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.